is the carbon footprints, too much of it actually, for the human being or the body to absorb. Second is we have destroyed our marine resources all over. And we had that experience of Canada and the rest of the industrialized countries exporting their garbage in the guise of yung magamit mo pa some industrial extras or waste even that can be of use to us itong developing countries. Kaya yung Canada, nagpadala ng basura but so many years ago at ayaw kunin. Kasi nabi ko, putang ina mo, ibubuhos ko yan sa pantalan mo. Ayaw ninyong maniwala, subukan ninyo. Sabi ko, God, kuha kayo ng barko. Yung luma na isang biyahe lang na hindi na pagbalik, doon na rin lulubog yung putang ina yan. Bigay mo sa kanila. And I'd like to say to the Western countries, do not make us a garbage dump. You know, you might be more powerful, more and more developed and rich. But your wealth does not translate into something like making other nations. Yung sa Bisaya, yung daog-daog. Ano ba daog-daog sa Tagalog? Api-api. Ano ba ito dito? Tagalog o Bisaya? Yung pang api-api ng mga